Ang picadillo ay isa sa maraming Filipino dishes with Spanish colonial influences. The name picadillo ay galing sa Spanish verb na picar, which means to chop, dahil ang meat and other ingredients na gamit ay ground or diced. Dalawang klase ang picadillo in Filipino cuisine. One is a dry stew na tinatawag nating giniling, made with ground beef, tomatoes, potatoes, and vegetables. Ang isa naman ay itong soup version na to na may diced beef and sayote, flavored with aromatics, fresh tomatoes, and patis. If you're looking for the ultimate comfort food, this picadillo with sayote is sure to warm you up. Madaling gawin at simple ang sangkap. Ang pinakamahirap na parte nitong recipe ay paghihintay na lumambot ang beef. Ito ay masarap, masustansya, at perfect any time of the year. It's tasty and filling on its own, at tamang-tama rin eterno with steamed rice. Enjoy!